Effective email marketing tips to increase revenue. Avoid using spam trigger words in emails. Avoid words that scream spam. Focus on clear, concise language that conveys the value you offer. Use storytelling to engage and connect subscribers. People connect with stories. Use narrative to engage readers on an emotional level and make your brand memorable. Provide exclusive offers to your subscribers. Make your subscribers feel like valued insiders. Offer them exclusive discounts, early access to new products, or bonus content. Add personalization to each email. Use subscriber data to personalize greetings, product recommendations, and offers. Use clear and concise CTAs. Don't leave your subscribers guessing what to do next. Include strong CTAs to tell them exactly what you want them to do.